Hi guys, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be learning how to use Snapseed to enhance our designs. My name is Rosemary Oka. I remain your tutor. So let's get started. So to get started, just tap anywhere and you. So this is Pixel Lab. I'm going to import the last image that we worked on, the last design. So this is our design. Now you can see styles, tools, export. In styles, these are already made effects that your design can just be blended with, or if you want to originally just do something different, play with the tools, just go to tools. You can see tone, image, details, curves, white balance, and so on. These are various features and tools that you can work with, and when you're done, export, and you can export your image. Now for the styles, I can decide that, okay, this is my last edit, the last edit that I worked on. The thing with Snapseed is that it would enhance your design away from what you've created on Pixel Lab. It can make the colors pop out. It can give an entire different look to what you've done. There are times you design on Pixel Lab and the colors are not popping and all that. Okay, for example, this is the last edit that I made on Snapseed. Now this is the original design on Pixel Lab, and boom, the designs are popping, the colors are popping. It's giving more, like when you see this, you'll be easily attracted to this design as compared to this. I'm not saying you wouldn't be attracted to this, but this will take your attention more because colors are giving. This is why you should learn how to use Snapseed after working on Pixel Lab. It would enhance your color, make your design more realistic, give it a more realistic feel. Now you might not want to do with the tools and all that. You don't want to play, you can, all these are already preset effects for just anybody. So you can just play with portraits, you could play with smooth, you could play with pop, you could play with accentuate, you could play with faded color, you could play with mourning, just anything. You could just make your design boom boom boom. It's giving so many beautiful feel right now. So this is how you can use Snapseed. Then when you're done, you can easily export your design. Now you could see because we chose morning, now you can see the design is having so many beautiful feel. You just have to play with it, and your design would give you very interesting look. So this is how you can use Snapseed for your designs. It's going to make it more interesting and more beautiful. My name is Rosemary Oka. I remain your tutor. I'll see you in the next class.